Hi everyone, today in this video we will see how we can add music on snaps on Snapchat. Also I wonder why you want to add music to your videos and photos on Snapchat. Might be because you just have created a video and you just want to add a music to it because you think music adds a vibe to it. Or maybe you just like a song and you just want to add it to your snaps. Or you think snaps without music or without any kind of voice doesn't look nice, doesn't add any vibe, so you're just looking to add any kind of music to it. Or whatever the reason it could be for you, but in this video I'll show you how easily you can do that. Also I will try to leave written instructions in the description, you can check that as well. So first what you have to do is you have to open Snapchat and make sure you have already created and linked your account with it. So here we could add music through two methods, one before creating the snap or one after creating the snap. So to add a music, you have to click on this music icon which is on the right side of the screen. Just tap on it and then you will see a lot of music. At the first page, we have the featured music and under it we have playlist. We have music according to genres like sad, happy, love. So if you just want to select any one of these, just simply tap on it and then playlist will open and then you have to click on that and songs related to that genre will appear here. You can select any one of these, otherwise all the popular or trending music appear below. Here you can see all these are trending and popular that are being used mostly on Snapchat. Other than that, if you want to search a song, you can just simply search it by its name or by its artist name, and then if that song is available on Snapchat will appear and then you can use it. Other than that, if you want to add a music that you have added on Snapchat, you have to click on my favorites and all the music that you have uploaded will appear here and all the music that you have liked will appear here, and if the music that you have played recently will appear at the recents. So whatever music you like, you just simply can add it. So first, if you want to listen a music, you just have to click on this icon, then the music will play. You can listen it. If you like that, you just have to tap on it and this is how the music will appear. So if you want to trim a music, you can trim it or can select any part of the music that you want to add, and once you select all this, you have to press this button and start recording. In the background the music is playing and now you're also creating your video. So this is how the music has been created. Here the music name appears. You can also hide it by doing this, or if you just want to delete it, you just have to scroll it and get to the bin and the music will be deleted. So if you want to add a music after snap, what you have to do is first you have to create a snap like this and then click on music and again select the music that you want to add on your snap. So here I select this music and now I'm just trimming it, and whatever the music part I like it, I select this option and then the music will be added on the snap. If you want to like scroll it, you can scroll it and then you can also delete it, and if you don't like that music, you just again go to a music and select any other music of your choice. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can add musics to your snap on Snapchat. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more updates, and thank you for watching the video.